Hello, and welcome back to Evolve Finance. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So, you just purchased the Evolve Finance bundle. In this video, we're going to talk about enabling macros. So, let's go ahead and open up the document. When you purchase the bundle, you'll get these four. And this video, we're going to go ahead and open up the document here called Evolve Finance Template Blank. Okay, so when you first open up the document, you're going to come up here and select Enable Editing. Now, once you do that, you're going to notice that the security risk pops up. Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted. So you can click the Learn More button and it will bring you to a link. That link with the how-to I have provided in the Word document, of which I suggest you open up first. But another way that we can fix this is once you click Enable Editing, we now just go and save. So we'll just say test. So let's go ahead and save the document. And now, once it's saved, we're going to close out. And I'll go ahead and reopen. So let me bring this off screen real quick and open it back up. So just be mindful of where you save it. Okay, so this is the document that I had saved. So now we're going to come up here and select Enable Content. Do you want to make this file a trusted document? And then you can select Yes. And then after that, the macros will have worked and and you have enabled editing as well at this point. So I hope that this provided an easy solution for you. And of course, never hesitate to reach out. Thank you for choosing Evolve Finance, and we will see you in the next one.